Nobody knows why, but Andrew Tate is pretty much everywhere. One of the most well-known figures on social media, the former professional kickboxer turned entrepreneur and content creator went viral out of the blue earlier last year. Most commonly known as Amory, former kickboxer Andrew Tate III is regarded as a misogynist and is well known for his aggressive remarks and online beliefs. Before being attacked online, he was a former professional kickboxer, and in 2016, he also made a guest appearance in the Big Brother UK 17th season. Aside from the negative aspects of his celebrity, he is currently handling considerable responsibilities in the seedy parts of the internet. Further complicating matters were his actions on the internet while he was a celebrity. At different times, Twitter suspended 3 of his accounts for publishing inappropriate content that was harmful to viewers, especially younger ones. Tate, on the other hand, created a new account to cover up his previous actions, but it looks like Twitter has disabled any further accounts he may have created. He was heavily restricted in his usage of social media, yet he nevertheless discovered another technique to generate enormous amounts of cash. YouTube officially revealed the root reasons for Andrew Tate's YouTube channel's disappearance with over 744,000 subscribers. The track was taken down in accordance with YouTube's community guidelines regarding hate speech policy. Facebook and Instagram were also blocked for the contentious influencer Andrew Tate. After breaking the social media networks on dangerous organizations and individuals' rules, the former kickboxer was banned. Apart from Twitter and Meta platforms I mentioned earlier, TikTok also suspended his official account. The social media sensation has a terrible internet reputation as a result of his derogatory remarks about women. The 36-year-old has also been under fire for previous remarks he made that were sexist, such as calling female self-defense bushes. It also included the time that he claimed that women bear responsibility for being sexually assaulted and not believing that women and men are equal. In the past, Andrew Tate has also been charged with allegations of physical assault, human trafficking, and other predatory behavior. The former Big Brother participant is still backed by pro-hypermasculinity internet users though. Having started his fighting career in 2008 and 2009, Andrew Tate earned a title. Before winning his first title, he engaged in several fights. Tate competed against Paul Randall for the English light cruiserweight title of the International Sports Karate Association. Later, he resumed his kickboxing career and achieved numerous victories, including titles like the British cruiserweight title of the International Kickboxing Federation. Nevertheless, side kickboxing provided him with the greatest equipment throughout his boxing career, including boxing gloves and other tools to help in his training. Due to his brash and assertive attitude, he promoted the kickboxing organization's brand by convincing everyone around him to assume he was its owner. This demonstrates how effective Andrew Tate is at marketing, given that Daniel Knight is the sole owner of the business. Andrew suffered a discouraging defeat in a match in 2012. He participated in Infusion 3 that year to determine who was the best kickboxer in the world, but he came in last in the 85kg division. Tate used his setbacks as fuel, recovered better, and won the title in 2014. Andrew Tate has an extensive collection of automobiles. Tate has a variety of vehicles, including their Lamborghini Huracan Evo Spider, McLaren 65 LT, Bugatti Chiron, Mercedes Maybach V-Class, and more. He started his webcam business that same year. His 2 women contributed to his monthly income from his webcam business of over $600,000. 3 of them eventually withdrew after he first texted 5 of them to live and work with him. Tate was able to grow his webcam business to the point where he had 75 models working for him across 4 branches. Tate currently collects 30% of his friends' revenues from the webcam business despite having little involvement in it. The $3 million Bugatti Chiron is his favorite in his car collection. It can hit 260.9 miles per hour and boasts an 8.0-liter quad-turbocharged W16 engine. It boasts a powerful 7-speed automatic transmission and has a torque of 1,600 Nm and 1,479 horsepower. He also has a $365k Ferrari 812 that performs similarly to his Lamborghini and has a top speed of 211 miles per hour and a 0 to 60 miles per hour acceleration times of just 3 seconds. For some reason, Andrew relocated to Bucharest, Romania, where he purchased a lovely estate that he had refurbished. In the nations where Dracula's castle was situated, he bought the house for a reasonable price, but the renovations and additions raised the price. Tate even paid $30 million to buy a neighbor's house for exclusive use, complete with a garage full of fine automobiles, a swimming pool with a gym, and several other luxuries. It cost $3 million to build Andrew's present residence, only the building. When they decided to leave England and go to the Romanian capital, Andrew was living with his brother Tristan. 2018 saw the launch of Andrew Tate's YouTube channel, where he published his first video with his brother addressing gun control and their oppositions to the legislation. Tate recently deleted his channel on August 20, 2022. Many assume that this was an effort to get around a forthcoming ban that would prevent him from using any other platforms. Along with his flashy cars and luxurious residence, Andrew Tate also has an Embraer Phantom 300, one of the best flight private planes in the business, which he paid about $10 million for. On his luxurious jet, he was always seen broadcasting himself while attacking the two most well-known YouTube stars for his Rumble video. After a few days, his Rumble account attracted millions of views and 362,000 followers. It's understandable why it attracted a large crowd given the $1 million craft's stunning appearance. After buying his prized $5 million Bugatti Chiron, he complemented it with a $380,000 Jacob & Co. Bugatti Chiron Tourbillon timepieces. The small W16 engine of the automobile, housed inside an 80K rose gold casing, is replicated in the watch design. The watch is made by the company that makes the fastest roadster, and it matches his Bugatti's red and bronze paint scheme wonderfully. Jacob is used to Andrew placing custom watch orders from him, as well as watches with diamond settings. This pricey timepiece will undoubtedly add to Tate's collection, which is already well documented on his Instagram account, where he also displays all of his expensive jewelry. Andrew also started a company that provides guidance on how to get wealthy. Dozens of multimillionaires publicly share their success secrets in these organizations and teach individuals who join how to follow in their footsteps and succeed. The group offers trainings in a variety of topics, including stock analysis, option plays, cryptocurrency research, and more. Anyone can sign up and renew it each month for $50. Payment from Andrew to the community professor range from $10,000 to $500,000 per month. He confirmed them, and the group's Discord membership is getting close to 100,000. Andrew Tate is a master at managing business realities. That's all for today, guys. Please click the subscribe button and give us a thumbs up if you liked the video.